We're going to use this MaxiScan scanner, OBD2 scanner, to retrieve the fault codes from the engine control unit. Once you plug it into the OBD2 port, which is located right underneath your dashboard, it will power on its own, and then you press enter. You just have to wait a few seconds until it detects the correct protocol for this vehicle. And then here is a summary. It tells you the codes. There's one code found. It says which monitors are not applicable to this vehicle. There's 2, and it also shows which ones were complete and which ones were not ready yet. But we're gonna go ahead and read the codes. Over here we can use this button to scroll. There's a small arrow on the side, and you can scroll through this menu right here. First we're gonna read the codes. Press enter, and it's P0341. That's only one code. It is twice. So if you scroll here, you'll see the second code, but it's the same code. It's just stored twice. Now, if what you'll need to do is address that problem, fix the issue, and then once you do that, you'll come back. We'll press exit here, and then you'll come back and you'll go to option 2 where it says erase codes, and then press enter, and then erase trouble codes. Are you sure? So after you do fix the problem, then you can go ahead and press yes. If you do not fix the problem and you just come here and clear the codes, what will happen is that these codes will come back. Some codes come back right away after a restart, and some codes can take 2 to 3 days to come back on, but they will eventually come back if you don't fix the problem. Next we're gonna look at IM readiness. This is something important as well, because if you do erase the codes, the systems are not ready yet, and you cannot take your car for emission inspection right away. You need to drive a vehicle just normal driving cycles, probably about 4 or 5 cycles. In most cases we'll get all the emission readiness ready to be tested. So here you can see since DTCs were cleared, and you press enter. It says MIL status or check engine light status is on. Misfire monitor is okay. Fuel system monitor, and all these are okay. And we keep scrolling, and you can see all these are okay. If you had some of these monitors that say not ready, that means you won't be able to go and pass the emission readiness or emission test.